In this video, I'm going to show you how to make header transparent in Wix Studio. After successfully logging in into your Wix Studio account and being able to access the dashboard, the first step is to go to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, you want to click on My Site, and on the drop-down, you just want to make sure that you are on the exact site that you want to be on. Once that's done, on the right-hand side of your name, simply click on Design Site. Now, once you are on your Wix Studio website, and as you can see on my website, I do not have a transparent header. To make the header transparent, it is very easy. Just simply click on the header, which is at the very top. And at the very top, you will see the option to replace the background. Simply click on the Replace Background button. Now onto Brand, you will actually see the color palette option. And at the very bottom, you will see the option to make it transparent. Once you do, as you can see, the header is now transparent. You can also change the opacity of a color. Now let's say this is on yellow, and at the very top, simply click on opacity, and you can change this to be 0%, and as you can see, it will also act as a transparent background. Now, changing the opacity just means that you want it to be transparent, but you will still have a bit of a border or an indication to know that it is a header. And that's about it. That's how to make header transparent in Wix Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.